Hello everyone, welcome to Language Fusion. Today I would like us to do Shona vowels, miti nemira. A, E, I, O, U. Let's make words using A, E, I, O, U. Amai, aba, apo. E, enda, ega, ese, I, inda, igo, icho. O, ose, ona, oga. U, uyo, uko, umo. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to press the like button. Thank you.